Welcome here, you all dear students, and to you also parents and teachers who are seeking to help your children and your students to learn in an easy way. In this series of tutorial videos, we help you to easily memorize and understand ways and means to solve math problem. If that's why you are here, stick around. You are welcome once again. In fact, here are the answers to the questions in the previous video. What was your score? Let me know in the comment section. However, in today's lessons, we are going to focus on the 6 timetable. Yes, the 6 timetable is going to be easy than the 5 timetable, I promise. However, there are 2 methods that are going to be used to help us memorize the 6 timetable. And what are these methods? Method 1. We will use the strategy we used during the 3 timetable, which is forming a 3 by 3 grade table. We will then list the ones digits from 0 to 9. But remember, the 0 will be listed outside the grade table, whilst 1 to 9 goes into the table. But for the 6 timetable, we will need 2 separate grade tables. We will then list the same numbers as we did for the 3 by 3 grade table. Are you ready? Very good. 0 goes outside the table, and then 1 to 9 goes inside. So for the first table, let's go. We have 0 outside, 1 to the lower left corner, 2 and 3. Through the middle, we have 4, 5 and 6. And to the lower right corner, we have 7, 8 and 9. To the second table, we are going to list the same set of numbers. 0 goes outside, we have 1, 2 and 3. 4, 5 and 6 through the middle, 7, 8, 9. Very good. What you may realize is that we listed all these numbers at the right immediate spaces from 0 to 9. Now we're going to add our 10th digit to the left immediate spaces that were left behind. We will do so in a horizontal manner, starting from the first 3 by 3 grade table. We will use 0 for the first row, 1 for the second row, and so on. Wherever we see 0, we are going to increase the number and maintain the same number afterwards. So starting, we have 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. We see 0, so 3. To the next 3 by 3 grade table, we are maintaining 3 afterwards. So we continue 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. We see 0, so we increase the number, which is 6. Very good. So I'm going to indicate the 6 timetable from these 2 grade tables so that you know your 6 timetable. Very good. Have you seen them? So you realize that 6 times 1 is what? 6, 6, 2, 12, 6, 3, 18, 6, 4, 24, 6, 5, 30, 6, 6, 36, 6, 7, 42, 6, 8, 48, 6, 9, 54, and 6, 10, 60.
Wow.
Well done. Today's time. Now, you realize that we said that there are 2 methods that we are going to use to help us memorize all the 6 timetable. Well, here is the second method. Let's jump right into it. In this method, we are going to list 6 times 1 to 6 times 10. We know that 6 times 1 is 6 because any number times 1 is the number itself. And then for 6 times 10, we also know that already, because when we attach 0 to the 6 from the 10, we get 60. So 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 10 is 60. We are first of all going to tackle the even numbers between 1 and 9. The even numbers between 1 and 9 are 2, 4, 6, and 8. We will write all these even numbers as the ones digit for these numbers. After we are done writing the ones digit for 6 times 2, 6 times 4, 6 times 6, and 6 times 8, let's add their tens digits. Once we have listed the ones digit for these numbers, we are going to write the tens digit for 2, 4, 6, and 8. The tens digits is going to be founded by dividing each and every single ones digit by 2. So when we divide 2 by 2, what do we get? 1. We will use that as the ones digit, so which means 6, 2, 12. Now we also divide 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. So we put that in the tens place, which gives us 24. Now 6 divided by 2 is also 3. We'll put that at the tens place, which means that 6 times 6 is 36. And then the 8, you know where this is going. When we divide 8 by 2, what do we get? We get 4. So the 4 will be written as the tens digit, which means that 6 times 8 is 48. Now, how do we find the remaining 6 timetable that are left in between? So for the remaining ones, what we are going to do is that we are going to add 6 to the previous number in order to get the next one. So what is 6 plus 12? 6 plus 12 gives us 18. So 12 plus 6 is 18. That is the answer for 6 times 3. Now we will add 6 to the previous number, which is 24, to get 6 times 5. So 24 plus 6 gives us 30. Since we know 6 times 6, let's find 6 times 7. Now 36 plus 6 gives us 42. That is the answer for 6 times 7. And now let's look at 6 times 9. We know 6 times 8, which is 48. And 48 plus 6 gives us 54. There it is. This is your 6 timetable.
Wow.
Well done. At this point, we are going to leave another assignment for you. Enjoy this assignment. Next time we come, we'll reveal the answers. And in our next video, we are going to consider the 7 timetable. And guess what? It is going to be much easier. Trust me. But until we meet again, adios.